Now this is chapter number 8.3. First of all, we have to deal with two formulas: a plus b whole cube equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square, and a minus b whole cube equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So the first sum is t to the power 9 minus 512. Now t cube whole cube minus 8 whole cube, a minus b, a square plus a into b plus b square. Now in this sum, this formation t cube minus 8 algebraic expression, this should be a cube term, so we have to reduce it. Minus 2 whole cube formula is same, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. This is sum number 3, 8 p minus 3 whole cube plus 343. Now here we have to put this 8 into this bracket. So 8 is 2 whole cube p minus 3 whole cube plus 343. Now a cube into b cube, we can write it into this formation, ab whole cube. So therefore this should be 2 into p minus 3 whole cube plus 343 means 7 whole cube, multiplied it should be 2p minus 2 into minus 3 6, 2p minus 6 whole cube plus 7 whole cube. Now here a plus b, so therefore a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Opening those brackets, 2p minus 6 plus 7, a minus b whole square, 4p square minus 24p plus 36 minus 2p into 7 minus 14p minus into minus 6 plus 6 into 7 plus 42 plus 49. This should be 2p plus 1, 4p square minus 24p minus 14p minus 38p plus these three terms, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 6 17 is 7, 1 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 1 12. This is sum number 5, 2a cube minus b cube whole cube minus b cube whole cube. A cube minus b cube formation. Now a minus b, a square plus ab into b square. Now 2a cube minus 2b cube a minus b whole square. So this should be 4a to the power 6 minus 2 into 2 4, 4a cube b cube plus b to the power 6 minus plus 2a cube into b cube, 2a cube b cube minus b to the power 6 plus b to the power 6. Eliminate those, taking common as 2, 2a cube minus b cube, and the remaining is 4a to the power 6 minus 4a cube b cube plus 2a cube b cube. So therefore the answer should be minus 2a cube b cube plus b to the power 6, and after that a minus b a square plus ab plus b square and 4a to the power 6 minus 2a cube b cube plus b to the power 6. Complete. Now this is sum number 8, 32x to the power 4 minus 500x. This is a tricky sum. First of all, this is a chapter of cube. We can't cube root of these two numbers and also these algebraic two terms. So therefore we have to take some common from these two algebraic terms. So if we take common 4x, so the remaining should be 8x cube minus 125. Now this is a cube root term, this is also a cube root term. So in the algebraic expression of cubes, you have to take some common to put those values into a cube terms. So after that, same as 2x whole cube minus 5 whole cube, 4x a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. This is sum number 10. It's a different sum. First of all, we have to use the formation a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So therefore x whole cube minus 3 into a square into b means 2 plus 3 into x into 2 whole square minus 2 whole cube minus, now here is the part, minus 2 whole cube means minus 8 and minus 27 means minus 8 minus 27 means minus 35. So we just break this minus 35 into minus 2 whole cube and minus 27. So first 4 terms we can write it into this formation, and the last one should be a minus b whole cube a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. A minus b whole square a square plus, sorry, this is minus a square minus 2ab plus b square plus 3 into x 3x minus 3 into 2 minus 6 plus 9 x minus 5 x square minus 4x plus 3x x square minus x 4 plus 9 13, 13 minus 6 plus 7.